Hi friends, another little project going on today. Let me turn this around and show you what it is. Today I'm installing a trail cam, front facing trail cam, actually a front facing, downward facing trail cam. So when I top those hills or I come to an obstacle that I can't see over the front of this truck like I used to see over the Jeep, then I can look at my camera and see what's up. So I'm putting a wireless transmitter in here and we'll get it all hooked up for the electrical. But yeah, I'll show you the camera. So this is the camera. It's actually a rearview mirror that'll mount over your rearview mirror, and I'm just going to have it hooked up on a cigarette lighter plug so I can just make it portable. And then here's the receiver that'll be inside the cab with this mirror. And so the hopes is this is going to allow me to look downward when we come to the trails. And I'm topping a hill, so it'll be able to look down like that. Alrighty, we got it in there. Got the wires all tidied up best I can. There's my transmitter right there. The receiver will be inside the car or the truck, and so will that monitor. And then there's my camera. Oh, right there. And she's facing downward enough. I can see about I can see about 1.5 feet, like down and right there. And then I can see out about that far with it in front of me too. So that ought to be great for the trails, especially when I'm leading and I'm in front and climbing that hill and I can't tell if we're gonna go over or we need to turn when we get to the top. So I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. So as a temporary basis, I've got a 12-volt plug plugged in right here, and it goes down and it powers that transmitter right down there. Or it's a receiver actually that receives the signal from the camera I mounted on the front and puts it right up there. That is a front view. That's a mirror that is also a monitor that I hang on my rearview mirror, and it gives a front view of the trail. And that's right in front of the truck. So as I top a hill, I can tell if the road keeps going straight or if it turns off to the left or the right or something to that effect. So we'll see how this all turns out for me. Anyway, that's the latest on this front facing, downward facing trail cam.